Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to see how to open hotspot in an iPhone. If you want to turn your iPhone into a portable Wi-Fi hotspot in under a minute, follow these steps. First thing first, tap the Settings app on your iPhone home screen. Tap on Wi-Fi, then toggle it off. It's important since you'll use mobile data. Now, go back to the Settings screen and tap Mobile Data. Toggle it on if it isn't already. Now, once mobile data is on, a Personal Hotspot option appears below it. Just tap Personal Hotspot. Toggle Allow others to join to on, and a prompt will appear. Just choose Turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, which is recommended. And below Allow others to join, you'll see a Wi-Fi password. This is what others will use to connect to your hotspot. And you're done. Your iPhone is now sharing its internet connection. Connect other devices by turning on Wi-Fi, selecting your iPhone from the available networks, and entering the provided password. And that's it, guys. As simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.